Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Diya's Color World. Today I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful home decor using decoupage paper. So let's get started. First I'm going to apply gesso on the bottle with the help of sponge. Here I'm using homemade gesso. You can use any gesso which is available in the market. If you want to know how I made this gesso, you can check the description box below. Once you are completed applying gesso, keep it aside for drying. The bottle is completely dry and we can move to the next step, that is decoupage paper. For today's project, I'll be using this decoupage paper. I have purchased it from online and I have given the details in the description box. I shall be cutting this design as per my requirement for this project. So, here are a few cuttings which I am going to use today. Now let me stick these cuttings on the bottle. For this I am using ModPodge glue. This is also a homemade glue. You can use any ModPodge glue which is available. Now apply the glue with the help of brush on the required area of the bottle. Stick the decoupage paper carefully and make sure that there are no wrinkles and bubbles formed. Again apply glue on the design to stick the paper properly. Now follow the same procedure to stick other designs, but remember to be careful while sticking the decoupage paper on the bottle. Now let me keep the bottle for drying for some time. Now this step is very important, that is color blending. Here I am using flesh tint acrylic color for this project. I am applying this color with the help of brush. Instead of brush, you can also use a dabber or sponge. Make sure that the color which you have selected should match the design. Now it's almost done. Once you have completed coloring the bottle, let it dry completely. I have few more cuttings over here from the same decoupage paper. I am following these same steps to stick these cuttings with the help of ModPodge glue. Since the design is very small, be careful while sticking as there are chances of tearing. To give it an antique look, I am applying light shade of purple color all over the bottle. At the end, to protect this design, it is very important to apply ModPodge glue all over the bottle and let it dry completely. This is the final look of my today's project. Hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. For more bottle art ideas, click the link on top. Thanks for watching.